Hey, is this thing recording? Is this thing on? Hello? Is anybody out there? Anybody out there? You know what? I don't know why they use this block of crap on police videos because if you really look carefully, you can look between the blogs, the dots, the dots. See, my face is all dotty. You can see my hand, you can see my eyes, you can see everything. Anyway, I digress. I just wanted to say cool video. I absolutely positively do not know in any way, shape, or form if this thing works or what, but I'm gonna try it and see what's going on. Wow, this is cool. See, you can get up on my nose and see how many hairs I have. Okay? Okay, bye bye.